guys, today I'm going to share with you the latest Python library that helps us to manage our dependency in our Python project called UV. Let's get started. First, we have the empty folder Python UV, and now we open the VS Code. Yeah, so just click to File and open the folder. Select to our Python UV folder and click Open. Yeah, then we create a new terminal. Yeah, so first we need to install the UV package with the statement pip install UV. Yeah, because my laptop already have the UV, so it's just so the statement like this. So now with the UV we can click on the Python version with the statement UV Python list and hit enter. Yeah, then in case we want to select specific Python version to install, we can use the statement UV Python install version 3.14. yeah, okay, because the 3.14 already installed in my laptop. Okay, so to create the manage dependency for our project, we can use the statement UV init and hit enter. Yeah, we can see we have the list of files right here: Python version, hello.py, py.toml file, and readme. So let's try with the toml file with the statement dependency is empty. So to install the other library that we can use in our project, for example in that case is pandas, so we can use the statement UV add pandas and hit enter. Yeah, we can see we had a panda in our dependency. So example with the Pathlib, we can use the UV add Pathlib and UV add Streamlit. Okay, stream. Okay, UV as Streamlit. Yeah, it's already had a UV as Streamlit, and UV at open PYSL. Okay, so to remove the specific dependency, we can use the statement UV remove open PYSL and hit enter. Yeah, so now we can try to run our code right here. Hi April. So to run the file in the UV, we can use the statement UV run our file name hello.py and hit enter. Yeah, we had the two statements, hello from Python UV and hello hi April. So if we delete all and we can use the pathlib, we can form pathlib import path. Yeah, we can use the current file folder fld equal path open dot file. Yeah, and print cur folder. So let's rerun it again, and we have the part of our current directory of our current file. So how, in case we want to create a virtual environment, we can use the statement UV venv python version 3.14. yeah, it's already created by virtual environment with version 3.14 for us, so we can check right here. Okay, vvenv and vvenv config 3.14. So to activate the venv environment, we can use the statement active with sort.venv.win, so we just type it again, sort.venv flash bin flash activate and hit enter. So you can see we had a Python UV virtual environment in the brackets. It means we already active the virtual environment. So in that case, we can check the uv run hello.py and hit enter. Oh, okay. Here we also had the Python UV in here. So in case we have need to sync the dependency between our programming with the project, we can use the UV sync y and c and hit enter. It already sync the package for us. Let's check the dependency. Toml file, okay, virtual config file, cat tag. Yeah, that's all the statement all about the Python UV for beginning at the beginning. Thank you for watching and see ya.